Hello friends, welcome to Technocrat CS Academy. In last video we discussed basic concept of operating system. In this video we are going to discuss what are the goals and functions of operating system. Many questions can be asked in university exam or competitive exam on this topic, that is goals and functions of operating system. So let's start. Now, before discussing goals and functions of operating system, let's first discuss what is operating system or what is the definition of operating system. Now, operating system is nothing but software that act as an intermediate between user and hardware. Now, as shown in this diagram, operating system is the intermediate or interface between user and hardware. For example, operating system like Windows, Linux, Unix and Android. So these are operating system. Now there are two types of software, application software and system software. Now computer access hardware from operating system. Now as shown in this diagram, operating system access hardware. That means user can access the hardware through operating system. Now there are application software. Now this application software install on operating system. Now what is application software? Various application software is used by user to specific functionality or tasks like MS Word, VLC media player, etc. So all these are examples of application software which install on operating system. Now, what is mean by system software? System software is used to manage system resources like assembler, compiler, etc. So, operating system is used to communicate this software with hardware. So, this is all about system software and application software. Now, let's understand what is the goals of operating system. There are two types of goal, primary goal and secondary goal. In primary goal, it contains user-friendly and convenient environment, and secondary goal is the efficiency. Now, before understanding the goal and functions of operating system, let's first understand what is the difference between goals and function. Now, let's consider one example. If our goal is to gain knowledge, or it may be a different goal like qualify some exam with good score. Now to accomplish goal, one have to study continuously. That means study continuously is become functionality and qualify exam is nothing but goal. So functionalities must perform in order to achieve or accomplish goal. So this is the difference between goal and functionality. Now let's understand what is the goals of operating system. Now let's understand what is the mean by primary goal, that is user friendly and convenient environment. Now in primary goal, that is user friendly and convenient environment, the operating system is act as an intermediate between user and hardware. Now user need to give command to operating system and operating system will do the rest. That means what? User gives Now user need to give command to operating system and operating system will do the rest. Now user need to give the command to operating system and operating system make a system call. Now what is system call? System call is one of the requests to the operating system. Then operating system provide the hardware which the user want. So operating system should be convenient to use. For example, operating system like Windows and Linux operating system. Now, as compared to Windows operating system, Linux is more light, required less space memory and it free of cost. and it's better in case of virus, network, etc. So even though maximum user can use a window because it easy to handle and more convenient. So it becomes user friendly because user don't want to use any command to run application. So it can achieve the primary goal, that is user friendly and convenient environment, and it automatically follow secondary goal, that is nothing but efficiency. Now let's see what is mean by efficiency. Now secondary goal, as we know, operating system's secondary goal is the efficiency. Now operating system perform all management of resources, and operating system is a software which manage and control entire set of resource, effectively utilize every part of computer. So that is all about primary goal and secondary goal. Now, in order to achieve the primary and secondary goal, operating system have to perform some functions. So let's see what are the functions of operating system. Now there are functions of operating system like process management. Now what is mean by process management? Now CPU may have number of processes that are in ready state, and CPU should apply some kind of algorithm that can be used to provide uniform and efficient access to resource by processor. Now the process management can be done by applying CPU scheduling algorithm, like for example first come first serve, round robin, shortage job first, priority scheduling, etc. So by using all these algorithm, process can be managed, and that is nothing but process management. Now another function is the memory management. Now there are two types of memory, main memory and secondary memory. But the whole process is put into the main memory and processes execute after execution of one process, that is one after another process. So memory is free and that memory can be used for other processes. So the duty of operating system is to make memory or manage the memory by allocating and deallocating memory for the process. That is nothing but memory management. Now next function is input output device management. Now there are various types of peripheral devices like CPU, hard disk, RAM, printer, keyboard, etc. Now all these resources are managed by operating system. So the duty of operating system is to allow the use of input output device by various tasks. Then the functions of operating system is file management. Now there are various types of files, folder and directory in computer. So all these are managed by operating system, and every details related file name, file size, file type is stored into file allocation table. That is the duty of operating system to make sure that files will be not opened by someone, that is unauthorized access, and it provides security. So that is all about functions of operating system. So in this video we learn the goals and functions of operating system. In next video we are going to discuss what are the types of operating system. So till then, share this video with your friends, subscribe the channel and don't forget to press bell icon so you will get latest update. Thank you.